Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see a miniature version of a living vertical garden. A lot of parents kept asking me to give some few garden tips so that they can engage their children into gardening. And so this video is dedicatedly for the kids to involve them into gardening. So come on kids, this video is only for you. I have my daughter here who wants to invite you all it seems. Let's hear it from her.
Hi friends, today my mom is going to teach me new techniques in gardening. So you also join with me please.
Thank you dear. So now let's move on with the video now. To begin with, let's start off with the materials needed for making this miniature vertical garden. You need a plastic box like this. This kind of box you can get it in market. Otherwise, if you happen to get sweets or savories from any shop, they used to pack in this kind of box and give. So you can use that box also after cleaning. I've used Haldiram Soon Puppet box. If you get a transparent box like this, well and good. Reason being, since kids are going to do the planting, they can actually see through the box, the soil, how the roots are growing, and while watering the plant, how the soil is absorbing the water, and step by step, how the water is getting soaked into the soil. And those things are the ones that actually kindle the curiosity into gardening. That's the reason why I asked you to go for a transparent one, but this is not mandatory. If you don't have one of this type, not a problem, you can choose whatever box you have. Coming back, when we discuss about the materials needed for planting, this is the main and the only one that is needed for planting, apart from soil and plants. Nothing more is required. And in case if you want to hang this box in a wall, then you need a small string. Otherwise, if you're planning to keep it on the floor, then that again is not required. Very simple. Now, let's move on with the procedure. For that, take a dark color sketch and start making a pattern of your choice on the lid cover. See, I've done like this. You can make any pattern of your choice. Now you have to make holes in the marked areas. For that, I've used an agarbatti. Kids, you can get the help of your parents or any elders in home for making this. When you keep a lit agarbatti exactly on the marked area, it will start making hole on its own. Since it is a plastic, it will melt and it will make a hole on its own. The size of the hole should be based on the thickness of the stem. Since kids are going to plant, try choosing stem cutting plants. So according to the thickness of the stem, you can make holes here. Once you are done making holes in the upper cover, now make 2 holes in the base portion. The reason for making 2 holes is in case if you want to hang this box and wall, then using this 2 hole you can make a hook with a rope. Another reason is for draining the excess water while we are watering it. 2 holes on the base portion is done now. Yeah. Now remember that every time you water, keep this box on a flat base and then water so it will easily drain through these holes. Now let me show you how to make a hook with these 2 holes for hanging. Always remember to tie a knot on the inside of the box so that you can cover it with soil. See how I'm doing now. It's done now. Now I'm going to cover it with soil. You have to fill the soil till the rim of the box and cover it with the lid on which we made holes so that we can start off with planting. You can choose any kind of plant. Since kids are going to plant, initially we can give them with stem cutting plants so that it will be easy for them to insert it into the soil. Let's see how to plant them in a box. For that, take a pencil and start pricking like this into the soil. And now take a plant and just insert it into that hole. Slightly press it deep into it so that it fixes on its own. In similar way, you have to start planting in all the holes that we have done. You shouldn't leave any hole empty. I am done planting in all the holes. See how beautiful it is looking. So fresh. I'll hang it in wall and show you now. See how beautiful it is. This is very simple technique. Not much effort is required. But for kids, it gives a fulfillment that they have planted a plant today. And once it starts growing, they really love it. And you can also do one thing. Going forward, You can make the kids sow vegetable seeds in each and every single hole. Say you can go for sowing coriander seeds, mustard seeds, or spinach. All these are thin stem plants, so it will be easy for them to grow. And kids will love seeing them germinate and will enjoy each and every single stage of plant growth. That's how they learn to connect with nature. I hope the video was interesting. Please do try it at your home, and if you have any doubts, please post your queries in the comment section. If you felt the video was useful, please do like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.